Welcome to Large Language Model Foundational Course by Codersarts AI team. In this live course, you will learn how to build real-world AI system using Cloud API starting from first principles without relying on heavy frameworks. Over 4 weeks, we will guide you through the engineering foundations behind large language model, helping you understand how they actually work. You will learn how tokens affect cost, how context windows control conversations, and how embedding enables semantic search. By the end of this course, you will not just using AI tool, you will understand how to build and control them yourself. So, why learning LLMs from scratch actually matters? Many developers today use LLMs by simply copying code snippet or following tutorials. But when something breaks in productions, whether it is token limit, context overflow, or unexpected API costs, most people don't know how to fix it. That is the knowledge gap this course solves. Instead of relying on frameworks like LangChain, from beginning we focus on understanding the fundamentals first. When you build your own context manager and drag pipeline from scratch, you develop the kind of deep understanding that makes debugging and scaling AI system much easier. So who should take this course? This course is designed for developers who already work with AI tools but want to understand what is actually happening behind the scene. It is ideal for engineers building LLM-powered applications, backend developer integrating cloud or OpenAI API, beginners with Python basic and curious about how LLM really work. This course runs entirely on Google Colab, so there is nothing to install. Each chapter includes a standalone runnable notebook, and the course progresses step by step from basics to building the complete production agent. So, what the learner will gain from this course? By the end of this course, you will gain practical skills for building and managing real LLM systems. As outcome one, you can say you will understand how LLM generate text and why they make mistake. Outcome 2, manage tokens, context window, and API cost confidently. Outcome 3, build a basic working RAG system from scratch using embedding. Assembles a complete production agent with memory and cost tracking. These are the exact skills needed to build reliable AI applications in production. These are the course highlight, and this course is broken down into 7 hands-on modules covering LLM foundation through the complete production agent, and each module has a hands-on lab. In modules 1, we will discuss what are the LLMs, how they think, and where they fail. Modules 2, setting up the environment and making your first API call. Module 3, understanding tokens, count, cost, optimizations. For that, modules 4, context window like limit, management, and production patterns. Modules 5, embedding and semantic search, build your own vector store. Module 6, controlling LLM outputs like temperatures, tokens, stop sequence. Module 7, complete a production agent, putting it all together. So finally, assemble a complete production AI agent with memory and cost tracking. These are the exact skills needed to build reliable AI system, AI applications in production. So let's talk about the practical value like tools, skills, and real world relevance. Throughout this course, you will work with same tools used by real AI engineers in production. These include Cloud API from Anthropic, Python's token management tools like tick tokens, embedding libraries such as sentence transformers. So why it's help? More importantly, you will learn how to diagnose why AI outputs go wrong, how to control API cost before they escalate, how to build memory and retrieval system without relying on context frameworks. Also, finally, ship production agent you can actually maintain and debug. If you want to truly understand how large language models work, not just use them, this course is for you. Join LLM Foundational Course by Codersarts, a 4 weeks live program designed to take you from basics to building production ready AI agent. Enroll today and start building AI applications with real understanding. Visit ai.codersart.com/courses to learn more and reserve your seat.